Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to see your Betterment Hall Ticket AP. First, navigate to the official website for AP Betterment examinations. Once there, look for a prominent link or section specifically labeled Hall Ticket or Admit Card. This is usually found on the home page or under a Student Services menu. Make sure you have your unique application number or registration ID readily available, as you will need it for the next step to access your document. After clicking on the hall ticket link, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Carefully input your unique application number into the designated field. Next, provide your date of birth, ensuring it matches the format specified on the page, such as day, month, year. It's crucial to double-check all the information you've entered for accuracy. Any discrepancies could prevent you from accessing your hall ticket, so take a moment to review everything. Once you've confirmed your details are correct, click the Submit or Get Hall Ticket button. Your Betterment Hall Ticket AP should then appear on your screen. Take a moment to review all the details on the ticket, including your name, exam center, and timings. After verification, look for the option to download the hall ticket, usually as a PDF file. Save this document to your device so you can easily print it later. Finally, here are some important tips. It's highly recommended to print at least 2 copies of your hall ticket. Keep one safe and carry the other to the examination center. Remember to bring a valid government-issued photo identification along with your hall ticket. This is mandatory for entry. Also, thoroughly read all the instructions printed on your hall ticket, as they contain vital information regarding exam day protocols and permitted items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.